Hi there, Dawn's Inspirations here. I wanted to share something new with you. This is my Slimline Albums. Now, if you've already purchased the Mix and Match Slimline Folios, all you need to do is to buy the add-on, which is how to make the Mix and Match Slimline covers. So in this workshop, you're going to learn how to make your covers, how to construct my cantilever hinge. You've got all the measurements in centimetres and inches for the decoration as well. So whether it's centimetres or inches, it's all there in the workshop. This is an add-on workshop because if you've already purchased the Mix and Match Slimline folios, the pages from the Slimline folios are going to go into your Slimline albums. And it's very easy to do. Again, you have the choice. You have the choice with what page configurations you want to put in, what styles you want to use. You've got that choice because you've got that mix and match system that you've already purchased with the Mix and Match Slimline folios. The pages from there are going to fit into the pages of here perfectly. And with this add-on workshop, I show you just how easy it can be. And this is going to give you nice, sturdy little mini books. These are about 1.5 inches in width, but as I say, you've got centimetres version, you've got inches version, exactly like the Slimline Mix and Match folio. So this is a super cute add-on. This is going to make this workshop go even further, which is brilliant, giving you more ideas of how you can use your Slimline Mix and Match folio with the add-on of the Slimline album.